Hi and welcome to EPOS Direct, the UK's leading EPOS provider. Allow me to show you the best EPOS system. The EPOS Direct ED910 is the most popular and reliable EPOS system on the market. We have created a bundle that provides all you need to get started. You get a 15-inch touchscreen terminal with a customer display. We add to this the essential peripherals such as a cash drawer, a thermal printer. Finally, no EPOS would be complete without the world's favourite EPOS software. That gives you a complete EPOS package. With our EPOS solutions, you are sure to see your profits rise by simply reducing wastage, better stock control, customer service and staff management. Some of the key features include stock control, staff access, comprehensive reporting and much more. We are also confident that our price is unbeatable and you won't find a better quality offering elsewhere. We say this because we offer the best of breed software, top quality branded hardware and all backed up by our highly experienced tech teams. After all, we've been serving the UK for over 14 years. You should by now be ready to make your purchase with confidence. We offer to you two easy options to buy now. Number one, you can buy outright at the best price available now. Or simply, number two, you can take the entire package on a weekly payment plan. We guarantee you acceptance for the finance and no deposit is required.